This is the story of living simply in Sicily. Why don't you come along with us and sing along the way? If you had a favorite group that you used to sing with, try and imagine you can still hear them now.
Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're living simply. And we're just doing a short little video today showing you how you can quickly decorate a plant pot just to fit in with the rest of your decor. So come along and watch with us. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
An easy way to freshen up your pots is to just paint them. You can make them into whatever decor you want. So we can go from this green to these stripes and different colors. Simple. Hi, Jeff. What are you up to?
Well, listen, I'm a farmer at heart.
Okay.
I don't have a green thumb. Most of them are kind of black and blue, but anyway. Our friend left some plants with us to take care of while they were away for the summer.
Okay.
And
Okay, so what kind of plant do you have there?
Well, this is a popcorn plant, as we've
Popcorn
been told.
plant?
Yeah. Not because it looks like popcorn, but if you
Ah.
touch the leaves and smell your fingers, it smells just like
Oh
popcorn.
my gosh, it does.
It's very interesting. I've never seen one
Oh,
before.
I wish this was smell-o-vision. It smells just like
Well,
popcorn.
one of these days we'll have smell-o-vision. As you can see, the pot is way too small for this plant. This plant is 6 feet tall, and it's pretty much a broomstick.
Right. And when they brought this planter, it was in pretty rough shape, so I just painted it for you.
Yes.
How does that
yeah,
look?
It looks great.
Good.
It
I just kept
matches
it
some
simple.
colors of their over at their place. I think that
And
was-
ours.
And ours. Yeah. Well, maybe they won't notice if we keep.
Anyway, so I thought possibly we could use these planters because the tomatoes are done, and possibly we can use this planter and put some herbs basically in there and maybe move that. I'm not sure it's getting enough sunshine, but it looks way healthier than when it arrived.
Yes, it does.
So
it
maybe-
is way healthier.
Maybe it is better.
Yeah, when they brought it, it looked like it was about had one foot in the grave, the other on a banana peel. But now it looks bright. No offense, Michelle, but it might just like that spot.
Yeah. Just planting this planter and finishing up our yard work. So
And as you can see behind me,
oh yeah, the mango tree looks
the
great.
mango tree has been trimmed. I
Yeah.
don't know if we already filmed this or
Oh
not.
yeah. Yeah.
But anyway, we're standing right here by the mango tree. So
It looks great.
you can see how open it is so the air can get through it.
Yes.
Next year we're hoping for a bumper crop.
Thanks so much for watching. Hope you tune in next week. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.